Hello everyone, this is Jeff Lee, the card lover. Today I'm gonna show you my packet trick routine. First of all, I'm gonna explain about what the packet trick is. Packet trick is a card trick that uses only several cards, not using the deck of cards, but using just several cards, maybe 4 to 8, around so. So this is one of my favorite card routine that I made. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So I have 4 cards. And as you see, these cards are all blank cards, just like so. And sometimes I want to draw a picture around here. All I have to do is just rub. And then you can see the King of Diamonds right there. So I'm going to perform the trick with this King of Diamonds. All you have to do is place it right there. And then I will place one card, just looks like so. What you have to do is just to transpose this card to here, and it will literally move from here to here. And surprisingly, the king has disappeared in this card. As a matter of fact, this king has a remarkable ability. When you twirl this card package once again and give a signal, the king becomes completely disappeared. Not only the king got disappeared, all of the cards becomes all gone on both sides, which becomes every single card becomes blank on both sides. However, when I just give it a wave, these cards become, they're back again, returns back again, and the kings are hiding somewhere. For instance, like this place. That's the first one. That's the second one. That's the third one. And that's the fourth one. Of course, this thing will never happen because all the thing was all completely dream. So, I have 4 blank cards up. Sorry, hold on. Okay, that was my bad. As a matter of fact, this king loves to show himself a lot. He has a lot of ambition, so I have to make him disappear once and for all. So, just toss it into the air, and the king will completely disappear. And of course, there are 4 cards with blank, just like so. So, this was my routine. This is my favorite packet card routine, and I'm gonna teach you several skills that I used in this routine soon. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.